Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair laced, if you wanna come see me, silk press, rock the pliers.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And you just really should want to subscribe so you can become one of my low riders, my day one riders. But you guys are gonna be known as my low riders. Anyway, don't forget to do all that. And today I'm doing a review on it's not sponsored, on a synthetic blended wig by Sensational called Butta Lace. You guys, this lace is so, you don't have to tint it or anything. The installation on it was like between 5 and 10 minutes. Really, really simple. Super simple. So keep watching the video so you can see how quick it was for me to install this wig. Okay, you guys, I'm back. And like I said, I'm going to be installing this Butta Lace, What Lace by Sensational. And it's, the color is Flamboyage Chocolate, you guys. And it comes in all these different colors. But I like this one because it kind of like has the highlights in it. But not even really highlights, it's like ombre. The roots are dark. And I'm just brushing it a little because I ain't gonna lie, I did wear it already. And y'all know I did the big chop about 2 months ago, and it was like almost like skin. And it's growing back thicker and healthier. And right here where my hair was coming out from medication, it's growing back. And I'll tell you guys, I'll show you guys the whole complete system that I'm using to grow my hair back. I use two things actually, but I will show you both in another video. Okay, here we go. So now, do I want to put the thing on? Because the wig is kind of big for my head. I have a small head. And what is it that I want to do? What you want to do, Lola? What you want to do? Let me see, I use these strap thingies to tighten it up. But I don't want it so tight to where I have a dang on headache. Okay, here we go. I wish it had an elastic band. Okay, I'm not gonna put this on. But let me do this. And like I told you guys, I already oh no, we can't break the glasses. I already cut the lace because I did wear it already. Oh yeah, that worked. Tightening that up. And actually, if I don't want to, let me scoot you guys back some more. If I don't want to, I really don't have to glue it down. And this is, like I told you, it's a blend. But the hair, I know this sounds rough because of this wig brush. However, it almost feels like for real, human hair. And I wore this one on a day, it was 114 degrees. And I am not afraid to snatch a wig off in public, you guys, at all. Make sure this backage is done. And it's not even really tangled. It's just the way I just slung it on. But the curls, you guys, I love the curls. And I love the color. I would have liked it more. It does have some highlights in it. But I would have liked it more if it had like highlights. You been saying? Why do it look super dark? Hold up, y'all. Let me see something. Let me adjust this for y'all. I'm not messing with that. That's gonna be good enough. That good enough for y'all? I might just go on and do it down and put a little bit of baby hairs off for y'all. Let me do that. Let me give this little wig a little bit of justice, okay? Scoop this back. And although the lace goes all the way across. Now, let me just put it all the way across. It's already cut and everything. I'm being lazy sometimes, you guys. I'll be being lazy. What I'm using now is the Eben, the Eben Wonder Lace bun. I love it. It's not that often that I use the other stuff. I may use the Black Gots to be to excuse me, to lay some baby hairs down, but other than that, I use this because I don't like sleeping in my wigs unless I have somewhere to go the next day and I don't feel like I want to wake up early enough to do all this. My towel right here. So I'm gonna be wiping off some of my makeup. Y'all know I do minimal makeup. And that's sticking already, you guys. Sticking already. Hold that for a few seconds, then I'm gonna put my little band on to lay it down. And I'm thinking, let me get this right now. Might as well kill two birds with one stone. What y'all think? Well, I always come back to this old same old baby hair brush, the same old one. Okay. Ooh, way too much, Lola, way too much. Okay, let's work it. Okay, that one came out kind of perfect. That was quick. Okay, y'all. Baby hairs want to act nice to a sister today. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. My throat be itching and that's how I clear it out. You guys want to put this on for about 10 minutes. And I will be back to let y'all see. Okay, you guys, here's the final look. Did I put makeup on it? No. Did I do the ball cap method? No. And why is this looking dark again? You guys, I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. Did none of that. None of that. And I must say, it looks really good. I mean, to be a and it feels good also for it to be a synthetic wig. And what I'm going to do is put a little bit of this heat protectant on, even though I'm not using it. I'm not putting heat on it. Just doing that. I'm liking this, you guys. I'm feeling it. Little Bobby Bob Bob. With the Cindy Sin. That is it. I kept it short and sweet. And it's super easy. Just took it straight out the pack. Cut the lace off. Put it on. Secured it with my Wonder Lace bun. My Eben Wonder Lace bond. And yeah. That's it. Very short video. I could take you guys along and do some other stuff, but I'm not going to do that because I have to do laundry today and go and get a battery for my car. I'm not doing all that. I don't feel like carrying Mr. Cannon around with me. And I'm not talking about Nick either. So you guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Oh, wait. I have to come back, you guys, for a little bit of story time. Okay? I just told you guys that I had to take my car to get the battery done. So the other day my husband had took out the trash and had to pull the car out of the garage to take the trash cans out. And he I guess he left something on because the next morning the car wouldn't start. So I had my son come over yesterday to give me a jump. Okay, he gave me a jump. It started, and then like an hour or two after that, I got in the car. It started. I went to Michael's craft store to get these t-shirts because our family reunion is this weekend. So I came out of there and the car wouldn't start. So I called my daughter-in-law and I said, no, let me call my friend Marlene. So I called Marlene because she was closer. And while I was waiting, there was a parking space on the side of me and a parking space in front of me. And the other ones were handicapped. So I was like, cool, there's parking spaces right here. And she doesn't live too far from where I was at. So she gets there, and for some reason the jump didn't take. And I guess because her battery didn't have enough power. And so, but before she got there, this man pulled up and he parked right beside me. I'm like, oh, that's just freaking great. Hopefully nobody will pull up and be in front of me. As soon as I thought that somebody pulled up, right, I was so mad. I was like, this is just freaking great. So I didn't really say that. I said some worse things, and I was a little bit racial with it, you know, but because I was like, dang, and it was hot too. And to top it off, that's why my mom always said, don't leave the house looking crazy. I left the house with a baseball cap on, a tank top, no bra, some boxer shorts, and some slippers. Nothing matched. I said, I'm just going to be in and out of Michael's. And the time of day I went, it was really nobody in there. Child, if I tell you the people pulled up, I got on the side of me and in front, I got so mad. I was like, stupid, just going off, right? Oh my God. And it was hot too. It was hot, but it was cloudy, which made it humid, which really messed with my asthma. By the way, I did a breathing treatment last time. I feel much better. Anyway, me and my friend, we opened our hoods and everything, and I hooked the cables to the cars. Tried to jump it and it didn't work, right? I was like, oh my God, here we go. So I said, forget it. We can just leave it here. So the man that parked next to me in his nice Mercedes, I was so mad that he parked there. And I was calling him all kind of names and stuff, not to his face, but like just, you know, just saying stuff like, why the hell he got to park right here? You're just going on and on and on and on. So he got out of his car. He said, do you need any help? And I felt like, just slap him. I'm like, yeah, we have these things. Do we have the things on right? And he was like, well, yeah, you do, but it's probably because she has like a little bit of buildup on her battery. And he was like, give me a second. So I was like, okay. And I felt really bad after talking so bad about him to myself, not to him. And then he turned out to be the nicest little man. So he gets the jumper cables. He lifts the hood of his car, of his new, it was a brand new Mercedes because it was like brand new under the hood. No, it just, everything was just new. So he gave us the, he hooked it up. Right away it started up. So I was going to go to AutoZone because I have a warranty on my battery. I was going to go there and get a, ooh, this hair is so pretty. I was going to go there and get a new battery. And I said, no, I'm just going to go home. But before I got in my car, I thanked him so much. I'm like, oh, thank you so much, you know. And He said, so just head straight home or go get your battery. I'm like, okay, cool. I said, you have a wonderful day, okay? And then God bless you. Now I'm saying God bless you to somebody that I was just cussing out in my car, but not to him. And he said, oh, my day is going to be kind of jacked up. He said, I'm going to the dentist. I said, oh, okay. What, you getting done, a root canal or something? He's like, no, I'm getting some fillings done. And he said, if you ever need a good dentist, Dr. Chin over across the street is a real good doctor. I'm like, okay, cool. Thank you. He was just so nice, just super duper nice. And me with my mean ass was cussing him out in the car to myself. Cussing him out. And the moral of this story is, sometimes when you're going through stuff, you just gotta be quiet, sit still, and think, not say anything. Just think, it's okay, this is gonna be okay. This is gonna be okay. It's just the battery, my car won't start. It's not like the engine blew up. It's not like I have a flat tire. Oh, and I did have low tire pressure. I did have low tire pressure. I surely did. However, I just said, forget that, and I came home. But, yeah. I felt so bad for prejudging that man and talking real bad about him. But it all worked out. And I wish I had gotten his name, because I would have given him a free haircut. I would have. Because he did not have to go out of his way to help us like that. He did not have to. And then after all that, let me tell you what happened. I was cussing him out in my car, and to myself. Then I was cussing the lady out there put in front of me. Both of them came out of whatever store they went in really, really quick. So when my friend Marlene got there, she was able to pull right in front of me and connect the so we can connect the cable to the batteries. That was God trying to teach me a lesson, you guys. Keep your big ass mouth shut, Lola, and stay calm. Anyway, enough of that, you guys. That asthma again. It's not COVID, because I took another COVID test and it came out negative again. And I was telling my sister, dang, why when I take a COVID test and you get ready to look at it, it's like you get nervous, like you looking at a pregnancy test or something. But anyway, you guys, I'm out. I just have to come back and say all that because, yeah, today's going to be a better day. For sure, for sure. And I hope you guys have a great, great, great day. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? And like and leave me some comments. Because, look, I be wanting to hear from y'all. And sometimes y'all don't even be talking to me and stuff in the comments. And then some people watch it and don't subscribe. And then some people don't even hit the like button. And then when I post it on Facebook so people can hit the link, they just hit the like button. Like, I know you ain't watched the video because I know how many views I got and all these like buttons. So yeah, I'm going to have to give people instructions on how to do what they need to do because I need some subbies, okay? And I need a name for my subbies. Somebody said, because my name is Lola, call them down lows. I wish I would. Down low? Absolutely not. They're not going to be called that. How about low riders? Lolas, low riders, Lolas, low riders, low riders. Yeah, y'all. My rider dies. My low riders. That's what it's gonna be. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm out, you guys. I got stuff to do. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, and don't forget to subscribe. And as usual, stay blessed.